Welcome to Firethorne Apartments in St. Charles. We're going to take a walk through a nice 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit. Included in the unit is a laundry room with your own side-by-side washer dryer. From the balcony, we're going into the living room. And straight ahead on the right is the entrance area with the laundry room and a coat closet. Good sized living area, wood burning fireplace. And as you probably noticed, it's all sprinklered. Walking towards the kitchen, we come to the dinette area. Lots of room for a good sized dining room table. And here we have an upgraded kitchen. Nice counters, stove, fridge, exhaust over the stove, dishwasher, of course, and also we have a disposal in the sink. And down at the end here, we have a pantry. Always wonderful to have that. Walking back out towards the dinette area, we see the living room, patio, balcony, patio doors, I should say, balcony, and the wood burning fireplace. And as we walk by here, the first door on the left is the full-size bathroom, lots of counter space, and a nice shower area. Next, as we go down the hallway, we have a linen closet, and straight ahead is the second bedroom. A very nice sized closet which extends past the doors. And around the corner here, we walk by the thermostat, central heat, central air, of course, you have your own units, and into the large master bedroom, 14 by 12. Two doors down at the end. The one on the right is a large walk-in closet. And the second one, we have the master bath. Stand-up shower with a place to sit. Nice cabinet space. And let's go back down, because the most important thing I probably didn't show you yet, and that is, the phone is the intercom to buzz people in. But here we have full-size washer dryer. So this is unit 1370F, 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit. With a really nice kitchen. Give us a call at 773-961-7962. We'd love to show you the unit. Have a great day.